how to allow or don't allow movies, media content on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, scroll down, and in here tap on Screen Time. After that, we scroll down and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Next, tap on App Store, Media, Web, and Games. Then here, tap on Movies. From here, you can choose Don't Allow or Allow All to allow all movies, or you can even restrict movies based on a different rating. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key or swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.